Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two 2-in-1 treadmills that will keep you fit and active. On the left, we have the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, we have the JURITS walking pad 2-in-1.
Let the battle begin.
Let's kick things off with the price. The Goplus treadmill comes in at $299, while the JURITS walking pad offers a slightly lower price of $249.
Whoa, JURITS, making a strong start with a price advantage.
Now let's talk about design and features. The Goplus treadmill boasts a powerful 2.25 HP motor, allowing you to walk or run without disturbing others. It also has a non-slip running belt and a multifunctional LED display to track your progress. Plus, it comes with a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and app control for a complete workout experience.
On the other hand, the JURITS walking pad prides itself on advanced technology design. It's built to be long-lasting and sturdy, with a reliable shock absorption system to protect your knees and joints. It's easy to set up and store, and the multifunctional screen and remote control make it super convenient to use.
Oh, and did I mention the powerful and quiet motor? No distractions during your workout. Support and warranty are crucial when making a purchase. The Goplus treadmill offers decent support, but JURITS takes it up a notch with a comprehensive after-sales service. They have a professional support team available 24/7, ensuring your satisfaction.
And guess what?
They even provide a lifetime warranty.
JURITS, you're really spoiling us. Now let's talk portability.
The Goplus treadmill is foldable and comes with built-in transport wheels, making it easy to move and store. It's perfect for saving space in your home or office.
On the other side, the JURITS walking pad is compact and requires no installation.
You can place it on a sofa, under a bed, or against a wall. Talk about convenience.
Last but not least, let's discuss performance.
The Goplus treadmill offers two modes to meet your different sports needs. It has a speed range of 0.6 miles per hour to 2.5 miles per hour when used as a jogging machine, and 0.6 miles per hour to 7.5 miles per hour when the handrail is raised.
You can even switch between miles and kilometers on the app.
Impressive. Meanwhile, the JURITS walking pad ensures that it stays on track even during intense running sessions. With its excellent cushioning, your knees and joints will thank you.
Plus, the control range of the remote control is not limited, making adjustments a breeze. No excuses for slacking off. Both the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the JURITS walking pad 2-in-1 have their own unique strengths.
The Goplus treadmill offers a complete package with its powerful motor and additional features, while the JURITS walking pad impresses with its advanced technology design and reliable support. And that's a wrap, folks.
So which one is the winner?
Well, it all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. If you're looking for a feature-packed treadmill with a bit more firepower, go for the Goplus.
But if you prioritize durability, convenience, and excellent customer support, the JURITS walking pad might be your perfect match.
Remember, smart shoppers always do your research and compare before making a purchase. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more product comparisons on Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping!